Near the southern tip of America, a common khaki-clad conservationist and avid ornithologist by the name of Owen Stanley has made a startling discovery, the details of which are documented in the booklet Birds in Bras, Rested, Chested, Boobies and Tits, a work which hasn't been described by J.J. Audubon as, quote, a masterpiece of Darwinian proportions. Birds in Bras belongs to that rarest breed of books, which offers no redeeming social value whatsoever. It is a wonderful addition to one's personal library and the perfect gift for people of a peculiar nature, namely those of the birding persuasion.